Tien nen lo piera rio de mapa mwaka libario ki apa wi achel nen maki mako kere dak ben ki neko kere latela macon pelo me Libya the dates General Muammar Gaddafi mape ko lo kom topa Muammar Gaddafi sara woni part ngoma wi po ye ma standing out ikom Gaddafi.
Okay, that is quite a hard question, but Gen mapo tutwali kum about Muammar Gaddafi was one ni eno maro Africa tutwali. He's one of the leaders more mano tika looking forward to many Africa is united. And kumbetiko winyo ladid Museveni logo about Pan-Africanism. I think for me Muammar Gaddafi was more a Pan-African leader than even Museveni himself, because any time in, time out. I remember that time I know being okay idea ni miero Africa or yabgene one state kitibintika neno kere United States of USA. So eno be no tiki tam enoni ni Africa when tuero karipeka rachel beruki latela achiel and then we are governed under the different states. Gen mo kere Mario tieni lobo pa Gaddafi was very rich was one of the richest countries in Africa.
Isn't it still rich, Wakumbeti?
No, it is not. I want you to read history very well. Ever since the death of Muammar Gaddafi, it's now 10 years down the road.
In terms of
the
oil,
Libyans, let me just finish a moment.
Still rich.
The Libyans have gone down completely.
That one,
yes, because right now, if the citizens can't get good access to education, the citizen cannot have absolute peace. Mano giti kere. So sometimes we ask ourselves, Western democracy, is it better than Africa? Mecha democracy, ma make kere more la
peñ ma be, but sare why la be part. Libya futiki mako.
Moro betitie entro kitma ketika dorne kwere nyo kitma lo tera ne ketika lake kwere. Kelo luoro keto mero kemete kere kitich wede. So lonyo mi ngom tie kono maduong ento kitma kete tich wede petika wat matut nyuma be. Gena wiya po ye Gaddafi karma eno ngole Uganda kany amaro nene that time no furet la makchel. Gena yomo yano ni pol pa joma mako chel nyu joma gwako eno timon.
I wonder how you used to do it.
So for me that was always elegant. Kidong karma eno bino mo chako yopo mosque Gaddafi mosque matimale wi old Kampala. Okelo jima duong omero legacy pa jima mino temo. So ingeni la tela mano chung pi dini mamega nyo chung pi religious affiliation mamega kun marlo ne. I think that makes him to stand out.
Ada dai tiene makina kere Gaddafi kene yo me alany marra da ma jo kene wachini ke mako ene pangi kere miro luong kere tano kama ke wachi eno kana ye. Jom kena wajin ki no madoto because of chile mo maki chile matekotwa jo kena wajin ki goye wi kada ki chile ki bullets maduata
ulwanya up to the last minute by the way ni I remember natika winyu BBC ma en ke komo bero ka waje ki moñ me gena moñ me Libya ni shoot the saucepans, shoot everything, shoot everyone, protect your nation, you know. I was like, wow, this is a guy who really loved his country. And more anywhere Emma poses a lot of questioning. The Western democracy and more should the Western democracy determine democracy in Africa?
No one after Gaddafi Libya would be.
And it is not. It is not. Still Kenya Wakumbeti. The Western world, totally America, is still interested in affairs. And making matters worse, Lobo more Matiki more in this world can never have that peace. Even Uganda, Mirwaleki Uganda. Because that is where now, Jo Enni Ginka Kuripeka Archel, Madongu Chahodonka Tamani, this should be ours, we should do like this, oil pipeline, Mirokaka Kanyan, Kunu left, right, center. But surely, I miss Muammar Gaddafi.
Ada dain. Pingo Kichelu Kinero Pingo apart, you know what I mean? What brief background, I don't know.
No, of course, Ketamunya, I don't want to interest, Tima Duong, Iket Malo, Mawa, Gimetegi Log, Jimmy, Pajamokane. In Roma kita change your watch query. Away in iti gangi at a mete ake gangi bina me check gang la worry. Chalin pinging on me timi oti. I think that is sometimes misplaced interest. So that was also there. Kidong mi areo, but benuma ye verni, there was an element of dictatorship. Like why you know read to wali ke don't mir going ki kwan ke lare. Enter la kirika don't ke kwani en committee. Itame presidents mako being Gaddafi have ever changed anything? They have actually made the country worse more than what Gaddafi was able to do.
Including neighboring countries, like Tunisia and Morocco, more an uprising, which I have Gaddafi meto. What America poi we woman knock
The Arab Spring.
Yes, work one ubeki kera menywako matur tetin ne na makinero kere kano Muammar Gaddafi latela machon belo me Libya mwaka alibario ki apawi achil 2011